DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang, 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 gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you already know what time it is. The Don is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang, you see what we do today, man? With the other artist that's well requested. Highly asked for. I don't know if what else to say after that, you know, so many if you start reading again and expand my vocabulary. My vocabulary was larger than that, man. But anyway, yeah, man, with the artist you want to request a lot. You see me, I said the one named Rymey Gad, the one named Brain Freeze. And I know that he was requested by you, the Dan Mafia members. You see me, I said some give shout out. Alright, shout out to RIP Bob. Shout out to user NBA 8. You see me, I say. And shout out to everybody else that requested. Search out to HVVDIVM. Yo, y'all need to get some better name, man. You see me, I say? Anyway, shout out to y'all, gang. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate the requests. Keep dropping the requests. Y'all always gonna get your shout out. Y'all know what time it is. But today we're there with Rymey Gad, the one named Brain Freeze. Yo, y'all been loving the Rymey Gad reactions. You see me? Y'all been engaging, liking, viewing, commenting. I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? So gonna keep it coming. Today we there got Rymey Gad, the one named Brain Freeze. Go check it out. Yo, like when you give me new artists and react to them, you know. You see me, I say, man, the first, I like being the first to be discovering these artists. Like, I mean, I see the artists up now upon YouTube. You see me, I say? So shout out to Dan Mafia. We are the latest, you know. We not ask Christ, you know. We are the best, you know. I just a matter of time till the numbers show, you know. You see me, I say? But anyway, gang, I jump right into the chat. The one name Rymey Gad, Brain Freeze. Let's get it. Money Records, DMR. You know, alright. Rymey Gad in the trenches. Or these R&B sampling dancehall has been going crazy. Me nah lie, it's been going crazy. Loving it.
Have man them quick fi kill we quick fi war the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 make it chip off and touch the grass. You love fit talk to bumbo clad. Dog you love fit talk like you know see a be a night time pon the West 9 binds a connect make life a eject pussy wall say your bad then show your address.
Easy. Yeah man. Yeah, we could kill over here now, brother. Yes, yeah, bad. Show your address, you. Come here now, man. I say, yeah, bad. Drop the low, bro. Come on, stop the talking, dog. Drop location, man. Come on.
Kill we quick fi war the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 make it chip off and touch the grass. You love fit talk to bumbo clad.
We kill we quick fi war the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐎𝐍 touch the grass. Hey, isn't that like if Floridian start talk though? Last time I pull it up, gang. Let's get it.
Fi kill we quick fi war the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐎𝐍 make it chip off and touch the grass. You love fit talk to bumbo clad. Dog you love fit talk like you know see a be a night time pon the West side.
Be a night time pon the West side. Go on.
The connect make life a eject pussy wall say your bad then show your address.
Mine's a connect make life eject. You say you're bad, show your address. Yeah man, that is it. I like how they run the connect. Come here, man.
See a be a night time pon the West 9 binds the connect make life a eject pussy wall say your bad then show your address. Me say fi show your address cause we make brain freeze. You love chat pussy, we make grave dig. Take a high rifle and fuck up his savings.
Yeah.
556-223. Make shot a ratatata pan a castle.
Say your bad youth and we make brain freeze youth and we make grave dig round. Hey, come in man, yo. Rymey, I go on pan the one of you. Nah, like, come in.
Chat pussy, we make grave dig. Take it by rifle and fuck up his savings. 556-223. Make shot a ratatata pan a castle. No one but a few shot a man we a screw. From your this, then you're dead, me no care you are who. We make move and I never excuse. From a local in a school, I may never step loose.
That is it, that is right. We make moves, I never excuse around here. We not business, you see me? The past is the past, you see me? Everybody got your shit. Nobody not care about your story, dog. They not care about your results. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, nobody not business, but everybody have them problem I got you. You see me say that's how you just do your part and do your thing and do the best you can. You see me I say, yeah, come here.
No one but a few shut a man we a screw. From your this then you're dead, me no care you are who. We make move and I never excuse. From me local in a school and me never step loose. Hell this your family and in can dead local boy.
Skip that on the phone. Skip that on the phone, alright.
God just shoot up your head. You say you're rich boy, shoot up your bread.
Yeah.
Inna your all my cakes and hype. Sound rev X like bike. And it grown on my skin.
The man does this, enough man does get this a while ago. Man, inna your all my cakes and a hype. Eh? Oh.
Your all my cakes and hype. Sav man rev X like bike. And it grown on my skate that fast like light.
Yeah.
Dog, you know see a low night time. I sav man them sick to.
Okay, low night time. Okay, cap. First time I say a night time. Binds a connect. You see me, I say, oh, no skipper that. Oh, okay, a night time, me ask it's empower with skipper. People drop in the comment section, say empower with skipper. Okay, alright.
The chip. Me got a Glock when me sit through the clip. It don't miss when me grip one press make you flick. Listen boy, if you go chill pan the fridge, can't live pan no drip family. Have you sick when you see
body zig where you see through the clip one press. Easy no man, be yourself no you. Be yourself no. Rymey, chat to them. Chat to them, Rymey, go on.
Me got a Glock when me sit through the clip. It don't miss when me grip one press make you flick. Listen boy, if you go chill.
Me have a Glock when me sit through the clip. You see me and say, you say, what you say, me quick with the grip, one press and you flick you. I'm telling you and be yourself.
When me sit through the clip, it no miss when me grip, one press make you flick. Listen boy, if you go chill pan the fridge, can't live pan no drip family. Have you sick when you see, body means and stink like a shit. Full of rifle binds fi give hypocrite, you know see.
Body means and think like a shit you. I'm telling you, you smell like that dog you. Now be cleft your road like that dog in the youth. You see me know where I do. Careful.
Body means and stink like a shit. Full of rifle binds fi give hypocrite. You know see the local man them quick to bust it. I from me local man in sentiment. We kill people me significant. Carry the space man heavy like a cement. From your pussy hole then you like.
I'm loving this. Me like her dog. Me like how Rymey Gad when like he lyrics. The man just talk. His lyrics got a lot of conviction in his voice. You know what I'm saying? Like he mean him words him I say. You see me I say just connect. Me like it, man. Play this tune, man.
If he dead, God gone well enough, but no lies. So for them, God care if he spray, make your life sufficient. I migrate them, we rise up again. If a child go for them, make a booby nailed up in them. Yeah. We make brain freeze. You love chat pussy, we make grave dig. Take it by rifle and fuck up his savings. 5 5 5 6 2 2 3. Make shot a ratatata pan a castle. No one but a few shot a man we a screw from your dick.
Yeah, I mean bad artist. Rymey Gad. Bad artist, I don't know. He's slowly becoming a regular on the channel, if y'all know this.
Then you're dead, me no care you are who. We make move and I never excuse. From me local in a school, I me never step loose.
Man, from looking in a school, we no make no loose moves. I'm telling you, no play loose ball. Come here.
I shut a ratatata pan a castle. I know one but a few shut a man we a screw. I don't care you are who. Cause we make brain freeze.
That is it, man. I'm telling you, man. That is it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, gang. Rymey Gad, brain freeze, my youth. I'm telling you, man. Yeah, man. Me like it. Play this tune for sure. Rymey Gad is definitely slowly becoming a regular on the channel, man. You see me and say, I like him style. His song choice them. You see me and say, I like his song choice and beat choice. You see me, the conviction in his voice when he's like, conviction and voice when the track them. I like, you know what I'm saying? Like everything sound like convincing, you know, sound like say, you know what I'm saying? Make you feel it. Yeah, every word them I say, me make you feel it. I like it. You see me hit, you got that effect. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. But yeah, man, gang, you don't know what time it is. Your boy Jambisco, if you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know, say, yo, I the dance anyway. You see me, I say? Also, drop it. Let me know what your favorite part was. Beat, lyrics, melody, video, visuals, all that good stuff. Let me know. Let's get a dialogue going, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Let's get a lot of dialogue going. Yeah, man, gang. And drop your request so you can get your shout out. You don't know what time it is. Let me say big up RIP Bob and user NBA some. You see me? So big up y'all. Yeah, man. Yeah, Rymey Gad, regular on channel. Yeah, more Rymey Gad coming, man. We keep an eye out for his tracks. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. That's for sure. But yeah, man, gang. There I know. Till next time, gang. You don't know what time it is. It's about Jambisco. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself. And more so importantly, each other. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.